Welcome to the future of Windows. Introducing Windows 12, the most advanced, user-friendly operating system yet. It's packed with exciting new features, smarter AI integration, and a sleek design to make everything you do faster and easier. Let's dive in. The process, just like any other software installation, is quite basic, really non-tech, and a sequence of select option and click next. The process is largely done by Windows itself, leaving you only the task of choosing your preferred options. Right out of the box, Windows 12 welcomes you with a refreshed, clean design. Say goodbye to clutter. This is minimalism at its best. The dynamic themes bring your desktop to life, and you'll love the improved taskbar, which adapts to how you use your PC. See the new File Explorer, AI virtual assistants like Copilot, apps you know and love. Windows 12 comes quite packed. Now comes time to personalize your PC. Here we enter the preferred device name. Then you also choose the keyboard layout you like, based on where you live in the world. Different regions type differently. For example, a French keyboard is quite different from an English one, and so on. Next, Windows may want to connect to the internet. To expound its features, at the installation process, you can opt to skip this part and connect later when the installation is done. This would help the process to go quicker and save time. You can choose whether you are setting up for personal use, or office or school use. To enter the right security settings, also, at this point, we are left with options to customize our Windows, dark theme, light theme. Then you opt to sign into your Microsoft account if you have one, or create one if you do not. It's optional though. Sign in or create a Microsoft account. Enter your existing Microsoft account details, email, phone, or Skype. Don't have one? Create a free account right there, sync and customize. Once signed in, your settings, files, and apps automatically sync across devices. Why it's worth it: cloud syncing. Access your files anytime with OneDrive. Personalization. Customize your experience, from themes to apps, and carry them across devices. Security. Use advanced security features like password recovery and multi-factor authentication. Productivity. Enjoy seamless integration with Office apps, Outlook, and more. Setting up your Microsoft account unlocks the full potential of Windows, making your experience secure, personalized, and always connected. Get started today. The Start menu has been reimagined for simplicity and power. It's now a hub for everything you need: applications, recent files, and even personalized recommendations powered by AI. Customize it to fit your workflow. and find what you need faster than ever before. Exciting new features in Windows 12, My Computer, My Documents, Pictures, and Widgets. Windows 12 takes organization and usability to the next level with new enhancements to your essential tools. Here's what's new: My Computer, File Explorer, modern interface, a cleaner, streamlined design makes navigating files a breeze. Quick Access 2.0. Your most used folders and files are smartly suggested at the top for faster access. Tabbed browsing. Manage multiple file locations with tabs. No need to open multiple windows. Cloud integration. Seamless syncing with OneDrive ensures all your files are backed up and accessible from anywhere. Say goodbye to those long waits for updates. Windows 12 introduces seamless updates that work in the background, ensuring you're always up to date without interrupting your workflow. Windows 12 isn't just an operating system, it's a gateway to the future. Ready to upgrade your experience? Step into the next generation of computing today. Windows 12, your gateway to the future. Upgrade today. Customizing your desktop and Windows preferences in Windows 12. Windows 12 makes personalizing your experience easier than ever, letting you design a desktop that feels uniquely yours. Here's how you can customize it. 1. Desktop customization, dynamic themes. Choose from stunning new themes or create your own with custom colors and wallpapers. Try dynamic wallpapers that shift based on the time of day. Icon layouts. Arrange your desktop icons to suit your style, group them, hide them, or use high-resolution icons for a cleaner look. Taskbar tweaks. Move the taskbar to any side of the screen. Resize it, or customize the icons it displays. 2. Start menu personalization. Pin your favorites. Add your most used apps and folders to the Start menu for quick access. Theme syncing. Match your Start menu theme to your desktop for a unified look. Live tiles. Optional, bring back live tiles for real-time updates or opt for a simpler, static layout. 3. Widgets panel customization. Add widgets. Choose from calendar, news, weather, to-do lists, and more. Resize and arrange. Adjust widget sizes and drag them into the perfect layout. Focus mode. Enable focus mode to reduce distractions while keeping key updates visible. 4. Accessibility and display settings. Dark and light mode. Switch between modes or schedule them to change automatically. Text scaling. Adjust text size for better readability. Night light. Reduce blue light to protect your eyes during late hours. 5. Shortcuts and productivity hacks. Virtual desktops. Create multiple desktops for work, gaming, or creativity. Switching between them is seamless. Hot corners. Set up shortcuts by dragging your mouse to screen corners to activate actions like snapping windows or showing the desktop. Custom key bindings. Assign custom shortcuts to your favorite apps and tools. Dive into the Windows 12 experience. Windows 12 isn't just an operating system, it's your gateway to smarter, faster, and more connected computing. With its sleek design, AI-powered features, enhanced multitasking, and limitless customization, it's built to adapt to your needs and amplify your productivity. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or just someone looking for a seamless digital experience, Windows 12 has something to offer. Explore the new possibilities, make it your own, and unlock a world where technology works smarter, so you don't have to. Upgrade today, and let Windows 12 transform how you work, play, and create. Your future with Windows starts now. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.